Ramsay-Hunt syndrome is a neurological condition. In 2018, I got very sick very quickly. I went from being a professional paddleboarding coach to losing my mobility. 2 days before I entered a mental health treatment facility, I had doctors say paddleboarding wasn't a reality anymore. About 6 weeks later, I was at a location where there were paddle boards, and they said, "Do you want to just try sitting on a board for 3 minutes?" I felt like I was on a carousel inside my head, but I lasted 3 minutes. But I also felt like I was at home and that it was the beginning of something. I was visiting a friend one day and she said, "You're not done. You've got something. Like, I know you. I'm gonna send you something." So she sent me this thing for speakers, and it was a speaking competition. It's called Speaker Slam. It's now North America's largest inspirational speech competition. And it was the story about getting back on our boards when we get knocked down. And it was, a story about mental health. I was hoping to uplift a few people in a room of 300. And I wasn't expecting what happened. I think there was a standing ovation for like 10 minutes. It was wild. It was like the American Idol of public speaking.
The oxygen filling your lungs again and you will breathe. You're still you. Paddles up.
The talk that I did quickly went viral on several platforms. Ashton Kutcher put it up on his platform A+. Jay Shetty put it up. Power of Positivity put it up on their platform to their 37 million subscribers, and then it just went viral and it gained millions of views, connecting me with people all around the world. I don't ever want somebody to feel like they don't have options or like they're trapped. So I partnered with Canada's #1 youth mental health organization, Jack.org. And then the wheels started spinning and I thought, I need to become the first person to do something. So I'm gonna become the first person with a physical disability to paddleboard from one country to another. And we're gonna do it for youth mental health. So we set out to, 1, raise a lot of money for youth mental health, 2, create awareness for mental health, and 3, to cross the lake and to become the first person with a disability. I did 2.5. I raised a lot of money, I created awareness, and I almost crossed the lake. We're gonna go back in June and we're gonna get it done. Loyalist College has been, a huge part of my story. Whenever you take a program, it gives you the foundation of what you are to build. It gives you, the entry-level skills, and then you go out there and then you learn from even more people on the ground. So what it did was it prepared me in many ways with being accountable, with being organized, with being resourceful. I just had brunch with several of my professors right before filming this. We're still very good friends. They've helped me with my writing. They've helped me with events management, which I have utilized in all of my businesses, from paddleboarding to booking an event where I'm speaking to 500, 600 people. I know how to fill a theater because of those people. My name's Mike Shoreman. I am a motivational speaker, author, athlete, and mental health advocate. Small gave me the power to do big things.